In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix PayPal account login issues for 2025. Dealing with login problems can be frustrating, especially when you need to access your account for important transactions. But don't worry, as I will guide you through a few simple steps to help you regain access to your PayPal account smoothly and efficiently. First, let's start by navigating to the PayPal homepage. You can do this by typing in the URL or searching for PayPal in your favorite search engine. Once you're on the page, you'll see various options related to mobile wallets and more. Look around to get a sense of the layout if it looks different from what you remember. PayPal is always updating its interface for better user experience. Next, our goal is to access the login page. If you look to the upper right corner of the PayPal homepage, you should spot the Login button. Click this button, and it will bring you to the login page where you typically enter your email or mobile number and password. If you're having trouble remembering your login details, or if you suspect you might be using the wrong credentials, don't worry. There's a way around this. Right under the login fields, you'll notice options for Forgot Email or Forgot Password. Clicking on either of these links will provide guided steps to retrieve your email or reset your password. This is often the quickest way to resolve login issues that stem from forgotten credentials. When you click Forgot Email, you'll be asked for information that helps identify you. Usually, you need to enter details like your first and last name linked to the account. PayPal might also require you to verify your identity through additional means, such as security questions or sending a code to your registered email or phone number. If you select Forgot Password, PayPal will prompt you to enter your email or mobile number associated with your account. Once entered, follow the instructions to create a new password. Remember to choose a strong password, one that's unique and contains a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. This will help keep your account secure moving forward. And there you have it. By following these instructions, you should be able to troubleshoot and fix any login issues you encounter with your PayPal account. Remember, ensuring that your details are up to date and secure will not only help you log in without issues, but will also protect your financial information on the platform. Thank you for watching, and happy navigating!